Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today's video is about how to add collections to your store. First of all, go to Products, then click on Collections. You will see that I don't have no collection in my store. After that, you need to click on New Collection. First of all, we will fill out the name of our collection, for example, electronics. You will see that the URL is generated automatically from the name, but you can also edit the URL alone, for example, electronics 1. Then you can choose a picture for your collections. If you click here, you will see the upload file here. You can upload a picture from your laptop, or if you have already uploaded a picture, you can click or choose it from the library here and click on Insert Photos. Then you can also add a description. After that, click on Confirm. Now you have successfully added a collection to your store. As you see, our collections electronics are now in here. Now we will see how we can add a sub-collection to our store or a child collection. Click on New Collection, then give this a name, for example, phones, or let's see, smart phones. Then we need to select the parent. The parent here is electronics. Then we need to choose a picture and insert photo. Then click on Confirm. If we get back to Products Collections, you will see that here the electronics has one child collection, which is smartphones. Thank you for watching and see you soon in other tutorials.